Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Epe Gunati from NK Tech Solutions, and today we are going to be talking about adding images to our website. Okay, now if you remember earlier, we added some tags, some text in the body tag, in the body section of our website, and this is currently the view of our website. Okay, now in this tutorial we are going to go more deeper. We are going to be adding more images, and in fact we're going to add videos and audios. Okay, now let's look at the Microsoft Word here. So I made some modification here. I added some images. Okay, and then this is how it's looking like. Okay, now what we're going to be doing today is to add this, and here I said let's add a video here, and then if you come down, we'll be adding an audio here. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today. All right, this is what we're going to concentrate today. Okay, all right, now let's go back to the code. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to add our images. Okay, now let's add this image, and if you go back to the code, you notice that I added a folder here, image folder, and then audio folder and a video folder. And if you open the image folder, you see we have 3 images here, and also in the audio we have an audio here, and then for the video we have a video downloaded here. Okay, so you can download 3 images, 1 video, and then an audio. Okay, it doesn't matter the video you have, just download anyone and then you can use it for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, so let's close this, and then let's look at what we are going to be doing. So let's close this. Okay, let's look at what we're going to be doing. Okay, so the first image, this image here, is under this paragraph. So the paragraph under the family therapy, the second paragraph. Okay, so let's go there. So that's under this paragraph here. Okay, now the image tag. The image tag starts with img. So this is the tag. Now it has an attribute called src. This is the source attribute. Okay, now the source is where you now put the location of the image. Let's say the location of the image. Okay, so the image is located inside the image folder. So I put images, and then you put a // and then you put the name of the image. So the first image you're going to use is the family therapy. So let's go with this one. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at, we have another attribute called the alternate attribute. And what this attribute does is, should in case maybe there is network failure when you're loading your page, the alternate attribute is actually what is going to show. It will represent the image itself. Okay, and also Google has some crawlers that used to come to your website to check information in your website. Now the crawlers that come to your website, they don't see pictures or videos. What they see are text. Okay, so the text information they see is what they now take to the user. All right, so let's add family therapy as the alternate name. Okay, and all right, so this is for the picture. Let's check. Let's go to the web browser. All right, so we have our picture in the web browser. This is our web page. Okay, but the picture is too large. So what we can do here is we're going to learn this in CSS, how to style it. But for now, let's use internal styling. So let's reduce the width by typing width equal to, and then we add a width to it. So let's say we are using 40 pixel. Okay, let's use 40 pixel, 400 pixel. I mean to say, let's use 400. 40 is going to be too small. So 400 pixel. Let's go back to the web browser. Okay, so we see our picture is now small. That's okay. So the remaining styling will be done in CSS. So for now, let's just keep it like this. And let's go to the next image. So our next image is this one here. Okay. So under this paragraph. So let's go there. In our code editor. So that's here. After this p tag here, let's add an image here. So image tag is img. Then we have the source, which is our attribute. Inside the attribute, we now locate the picture, the second picture. Okay, so the picture is inside images. Then we have a slash, // So this one is going to be the last one here. Okay, then let's give it an alternate alt. Then the name should be the same name here, schizophrenia. Okay, then let's give it a width of let's say 500 this time around, 500 pixel. Okay, let's close the tag. Okay, all right, so that's all. Go to our browser, see how it's looking. So this is our image. All right, now for the remaining image, you can do that as an assignment. Okay, you can add this image by yourself. Now let's look at the video. Let's look at the video. So the video is under the first image here. So let's go back to the code. Alright, so the video is here. Now let's put the tag for the video. So we have video as a tag to close it. And then for videos, we have a nested tag. Okay, so the nested tag for this video is called the source tag. You add the source, and then you now add attributes, which is the source. Equal to add the source as where the video is located. So the video is located inside the video folder here. So let's add that, and the name is understanding what is here. All right, so we add video, and then we add the name of the video, which is this one here. All right, now the video is added, so close the tag. Another thing we can do is we need to specify the type of the video. So type in type, and then you say equal to. So this video is actually a video, and it's an MP4 video. That's the type of the video, MP4. And now for this video to be able to play, and then maybe for you to pause it, you need to add some controls. So inside the video tag here, add controls, type controls. Okay, and what this control does is to enable you to play and then pause the video. All right, so that's done. So this is our video. Let's go to the browser. Okay, so this is our video here. So as you can see, the video is playing. Now don't worry that the page is still like this, okay, because we are not doing styling. This is HTML, okay. So let's go back to the code. I can pause the video for now. Okay, now also what this control gives you is an option where you can also download, you see, so it's very good. So let's pause the video and go back to the code. Now our next thing on the line here is okay, after the video is to add let's see, okay, let's just add an audio file. Okay, the audio file is down here. All right, so audio, let me move this down so you can see. So the tag for audio is audio, and since we know about the controls, let's just give it a control and then we'll close it. And the video also have the nested tag of source, so add in the source, and then we'll add in the source here, which is the attribute. Okay, so the attribute is locating the location of the audio. So we'll type in audio because it's inside this audio file, audio folder. Okay, so audio video. Okay, then the name of the audio is Hunko. Oh, the name is very long. The name is so long. Let's try to capture it. Audio. Okay, and the name is Hunko. Let me say, should I look at it? This is an Indian song. Okay, so we have our audio here. So the next thing is to add the type. Right, so I know what you're thinking. Maybe you think it's going to be MP, going to be MP3, right? Yeah, your guess is almost correct. But we're using MPEG. Okay, you type in MPEG instead of MP3. Once you're done, you close it. Okay, so let's go to the web browser and see the audio. Okay, and if I scroll down, okay, so down here we have our audio here. Okay, so this is the play button. So if I click on the play button, all right, so this is our audio. And as usual, so these are the function we have. So these are because of the control. Okay, so without the control, actually you can't see this. So you need to add the control. All right. Okay, guys. So I think this is it for this video, for this tutorial. Okay, quickly, what we did in this tutorial is that we added images. Okay, so we added these images. Then we added a video. This is our video here. And then we added an audio file. Okay, so you can play with this. You must practice to be able to grasp the idea of this. So you can play with this. And also don't forget to do the assignments that we have. So add the other picture inside your site. Okay. All right. So up next we're going to be working on lists. Okay. So we'll look at how to add lists to our website. All right. So thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like the video, and also click on the bell button to be able to receive our latest videos. Okay.